guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. I am doing a Project Life spread for you guys today. I know I have been gone from YouTube. I haven't been doing spreads. And we definitely ain't done no Project Life spread around here in a long time, okay? So, it's just, it's a lot of things going on with this spread this time around. But I wanted to get back into Project Life. I know I told y'all at the beginning of the year I was on Team Happy Planner, and I was about to be like, oh, I'm gonna use my memory planner for everything, and I'm gonna memory keep in that memory planner. Girl, that memory planner is somewhere unused and is laying around here somewhere with all blank pages. I've done maybe like one or two spreads that I've probably shown on YouTube, and then the rest of them, those pages are as blank as blank as whatever. You know what I'm saying? So we haven't been memory keeping around here. So I really wanted to get back into the swing of things and at least document something from my life in 2019. Because I'm gonna be honest, 2019 as a whole, it was trash. You know what I'm saying? It was trash. And I'm ready for 2020. I'm ready for a new year. But there were some good points of 2019. You know what I'm saying? This is one of them. I went to Greece back in April, and I ended up taking a few pictures, not that many pictures, but I took a few pictures, and I really wanted to at least put this in my scrapbook or memory keep it or something. And since that Happy Planner is not getting no love, I was like, how about I just start doing Project Life again? So here we are, we're doing a Project Life spread. So I say all that to say, I went to Greece with 3 of my girlfriends from grad school, and we ended up having an amazing time in Greece. We spent like 10 days in Greece. Well, 8 days. 2 of those days were traveling, but we spent 8 days. We went to Athens, we went to Mykonos, and we went to Santorini, and all 3 of them were gorgeous. Well, Athens isn't an island, but Mykonos and Santorini were 2 gorgeous islands. Athens is gorgeous, it's more historical, but it all was amazing. It was an amazing trip, and I loved it so much. So I really wanted to document this in some way. So I ended up doing a Project Life spread on my trip to Greece, and I'm using these alpha stickers. That card, I don't know. I couldn't really get into the swing of what kind of core kit cards I wanted to use for this spread. So I ended up changing like practically all the cards. I thought I wanted to do like a dark blue kind of theme, and then afterward I switched it all up and wanted brighter colors because we went in April, so I wanted it to be more springy and bright and colorful. So I ended up switching, and these cards, most of these cards come from the Seasons core kit from Project Life. And you guys, I'm honestly not even sure the status on Project Life items right now. I know that is it Becky Higgins? Yeah, it's Becky Higgins that does Project Life. I know a while back there was a big push for her and her company to get out of like physical Project Life products. So the core kit cards and things that you can actually like pick up in the store and scrapbook with. Like, I think there was a push for her to like get away from that, and she wanted to move everything digitally, like, so you download the Project Life app. I have the Project Life app. I don't really care for it because it kind of defeats the purpose of being crafty. Like, I can get on Instagram anytime I want, girl, and post a picture. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, this is all a rant. Let me just get back to the spread. So I am putting together all these cards. I wanted them to be very springy and colorful and bright, and I had a few pictures that I had of the four of us that went to Greece. And I really wanted to just put these in my spread. And I think I had one picture that I showed you before while I was rambling of I think that it was a landscape picture, and I think that was actually of Santorini, if I'm not mistaken. I think we were on the island of Santorini when I took that picture. So I got a lot of good shots of Greece itself, like just the landscape and the views, and just like, y'all, it's so beautiful in Greece. Like the water is so clear and blue, and all the food is so fresh. Like, y'all, I ate so many gyros and chicken skewers and lamb. Like, y'all, it was amazing. Like, that entire trip was amazing. But I really, really wanted to document it because it's one of the first, it was actually the first time that I've been to Europe. And it wasn't the first time I've been out of the United States, but it was the first time I went to Europe. I've been to Europe, and it was amazing. Like the entire trip was amazing, and I really, really, really wanted to put it in a spread and, document it. Yeah, I really wanted to document it because, whoa, girl, 2019 is trash. Like this whole year, I'm just so ready for 2020. I'm so ready for 2020, but 2019, there were some high points of 2019, and this Greece trip was one of them. So yeah. And then also, I feel like I'm still in this habit of collecting all these things. So right now, what you see me doing is I'm cutting up this brochure that I got from a winery. We went on a wine tour, and one of the wineries that we went to, they gave us this little booklet that had all of their different wines in it. So I wanted to cut out the name of the winery and put it on one of my core kit cards. So even though I haven't been doing paper crafting and memory keeping, I still am in the habit of keeping ticket stubs and boarding passes and things like that. So I just have a bunch of things. I have a memory box that I just throw all this stuff in. So the other day I was looking through that memory box, like, I really need to start, putting this to action, or, putting this in a spread, or throwing this away. Like I can't keep these things and then just let them sit there. So that's what I did. I really wanted to just do a spread and just make sure that I preserve this, you know what I mean? So yeah, I am using a bunch of alpha stickers. You guys, I told y'all before, I'm very rusty. I haven't done Project Life in a long, long time. So I struggled a lot with how to decorate these cards. I struggled with how to put stickers on the pages and stickers on the cards, and ephemera and all that stuff that people use to decorate their spreads. I struggled with that because I haven't done it in so long. But then I realized that Greece was so beautiful and these pictures were so nice that I didn't really even need to do that much. You know what I mean? I didn't really need to decorate these because the pictures kind of sold themselves in a sense. And yeah, it ended up turning out really nice at the end, but I struggled a lot. And I really, really struggled a lot. This was like a 45-minute video before I edited this down, but I didn't want to let y'all see me struggle that much. But I was very I was very stuck on what kind of stickers to add to these spreads, and I don't know, y'all. I don't know. But and then also, I feel like I just gotta tell y'all a lot because I haven't been on here in such a long time, but I have really been on like a Marie Kondo kick lately, and I have just been getting rid of things left and right. Like, if it does not spark joy, it is getting out of my apartment, and that includes my craft stuff. So I have thrown away so much stuff. I've thrown away planners, like old planners. I've thrown away like just random like washi that is just all around. Like, I have so much craft stuff that, and I'm still not done. Like, I still have like half of my craft stuff to do. I've only done like half of it. I still need to throw away some more, like, or I might do a giveaway and create like, Happy Mail or something and give it to some of y'all, but it's just so much stuff around here, y'all. It's so much stuff. But anyway, I say all that to say that it was also hard because a lot of the things that I had before, this spread was hard because a lot of the things that I had before, I've thrown them away. Like all the ephemera and stuff that I was like, I'm never going to use this. I've thrown it all away. And then I sat down and did this spread, and I'm like, okay, I don't really have that much in here. I don't really have that much to put on core kit cards and put in this spread. I do have a lot of stickers. I do have a lot of sticker books, and I have a little bit, like I have a few like die cuts and things like that, but for the most part, nah, all this stuff, like most of my stuff is gone. Most of my stuff that I would use to decorate Project Life things are gone, right? Because I was like, oh, I'm not gonna do Project Life anymore. Like, so I don't need this stuff to decorate. And then, like 2 days later, I sit down and start working on a Project Life spread. That's my life. That's my life in a nutshell. So, it's fine. I'm gonna stop rambling. I feel like the video's almost over at this point, and I've just been rambling with y'all. But I just needed to catch y'all up on Project Life and my life, kind of. but yeah, I really am going to try and do some more Project Life spreads, just to just get rid of these things that I have in my in my stash that's just sitting around. And then I also just need to memory keep some high points of 2019 to get me back and motivated again. But this is basically it. This is the entire spread. This is how it turned out. Thanks so much for listening to me ramble for 12 minutes, y'all. I love y'all so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.